Adventures with AB5.
It's September 2023, and today is the first day, day one, of AB's driving part of Driver's Ed. I am currently sitting here waiting to pick him up from school, and then we will head home, and the Driver's Ed instructor will pick him up.
I'm about to be picked up for the first day of Driver's Ed.
The Driver's Ed car will be here any minute. Are you nervous?
A little bit.
You got it. The Driver's Ed car is coming up. Here it comes. Day number one, big baby. Alright, here goes my student driver. Carolina Road Driving School. Turn signal to the left. Looks like he's driving in the neighborhood. He's done it before. He's going really slow. Hope he's safe. When he gets back, we'll see how day one goes. All right, tell us all about it.
Just got finished with it. I did a lot better than I thought I was gonna do. I did really good, I think. Just went on some like country roads, like went into Pitt Community College, like back in the parking lot a little bit.
So no wrecks, no ditches, no running into cars.
Not yet. Let me talk to you. It's day 2 of Driver's Ed. Just left the bus stop. Be there soon.
Day 2, starting off in the neighborhood again.
Yeah.
Day 2 in the books. Tell me about it.
It was good. We did a lot of neighborhood stuff. Like pulling over, 3-point turns. We drove through the city a lot also. Not that bad.
Anything interesting happened?
Nothing too crazy happened, but this Ford when I was driving was just basically like about to hit me the whole time I was driving. Like kept trying to go around me, wouldn't go around me. Yeah.
All right, we are home. We are waiting on the guy to get here. It's day 3. AB, are you nervous?
No, I'm not nervous.
How about if you don't pass?
I should pass.
You think you're good at it?
Yes.
Walking off for his last day.
Super crazy.
He might went in the ditch, didn't he, Sugar? Did he pass? There he is. What happened?
We drove a lot through the city. There was a lot of people that like almost saw a wreck happen almost. A lot of people like pull out in front of me and stuff. And then we got to drive on the highway. Got to go 70 finally.
All right, what you got in your hand?
Certificate. I passed the driving. So.
All right, let's go.
Thanks for watching Adventures with AB5.